everyone, how you doing? Today I want to teach you how to install and set up the smart lock and our Raizo mobile application. Okay, let's get started. First of all, you need to download our Raizo mobile application from the Apple App Store or Play Store on your phone. After that, you will need to register your own account and log in. However, if you have already registered an account, you can just log in directly. Now, we need to add the smart lock so we can operate it.
Please authorize. Succeed. Add user, press 1. Add administrator, press 2. Delete user, press 3. System management, press 4. Press start to add passageway, press 1. Enterprise detection, press 2. Time setting, press 3. Restore factory setting, press 4. Volume setting, press 5. Network configuration, press 6. Smart Config, press 1. Access point config, press 2. Version upgrade, press 3. Press start to exit. Waiting for network configuration.
We must connect to 2.4G Wi-Fi network. If you ask me if 5G is possible, my answer is no for you. You must choose 2.4G to connect to the smart door lock or you will never be able to connect to the device. Once we have successfully connected, this is how the interface looks. It is actually very clear and easy to understand. You can get the information about operating the smart lock, especially the operation log, which can tell you who has entered and left your home. So next, I will teach you how to set up password, access cards, and fingerprint through the smart lock. You just need to press the star and hash key. This is because I already set up my password, so now I have to key in my password to authorize. Then you can choose end user or admin, either one. Now you can directly set up your fingerprint, access card and password. Then my teaching video ends here. Thank you for watching. See you next time.